The customer asked me to create a video guide for maintaining his pool. I hope you find it useful too. Let's get started, friends. Hello everyone. You are on the Alpha Pool channel. My name is Roman. I've been building pools for 20 years. In my videos, I share my experience with you. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you. First of all, it is necessary to clean the pool. To do this, we enter the technical room or plant room. And remember the working position of the valves. The skimmer should be open and the main drain half closed. The multiport valve is in filtration mode. The sewer is closed. The inlet pipe is currently open through the heat exchanger. Here the valve is open and here the valve is open. The bypass valve should be closed. You need to close the main drain valve so that the filtration works only through the skimmer. Set the timer to always on mode, and turn on the filtration pump. Before cleaning the pool, remove the skimmer basket, connect the telescopic handle to the brush, connect the hose to the brush, and lower the brush into the pool. Then, hold the handle vertically and submerge it in water. Once the air is out of the hose, insert it into the skimmer and start cleaning the pool. My advice is to clean slowly to avoid stirring up debris and having to clean it again when it settles back on the bottom. And see the difference between the area you've cleaned and the area you haven't cleaned yet. Big difference, right? After cleaning the pool, remove the brush, telescopic handle, and hose. Also, put the skimmer basket back in place, and then backwash the filter. Turn off the pump. To save time, open the pool fill valve. During the filter backwash, water from the pool is lost through the drain and needs to be replenished. So, to avoid waiting for the pool to fill with water, open this valve in advance. Remember, all actions with the valves must be performed only when the filtration pump is off. Set the multiport valve to the backwash mode. We open the waste valve. We turn on the filtration pump. We observe through this transparent part which water goes to the drain. We wait until we see clear water. The water has already become clearer. Note that this procedure must be carried out when the pressure increases. The operating pressure of the filtration system is between 0.5 and 0.8 bar. When the pressure exceeds 0.8 to 1 bar, the filter needs to be backwashed. However, regardless of the manometer readings, the backwash should be performed once a week. So, the water is flowing clear. We turn off the pump, set the multiport valve to rinse mode, and turn the pump back on. We wait for 30 seconds to a minute, and then turn off the pump. Be sure to close the waste valve. Set the multiport valve to filter mode. Before turning on the filtration system, check everything again. The skimmer valve should be open, and the main drain valve should be half closed. The multiport valve is in filter mode. The waste valve is closed. Be sure to check the inlet pipe to ensure the valve is open and you do not damage the filter. This valve should be closed. And these two through the heat exchanger should be open. Always double check. After the checks, you can start the filtration system. But there is an important point. When you turn on the pump, monitor the pressure. If the pressure gauge needle does not enter the red zone and the pressure does not increase, it means you have done everything correctly. But if the pressure gauge needle quickly rises into the red zone, immediately turn off the pump to avoid damaging the pool filter elements. This is important. So don't neglect these tips. Everything is fine with us, filtration is working. You can add pool water care products and leave the pool. But before leaving the pool, make sure to close the water fill valve. If you forget, the pool will overflow and flood the equipment, and also turn on the automatic mode. After backwashing the filter, there's one more step. You need to add pool chemicals. First, check the water parameters, starting with the pH level. The pH level is slightly high at 7.74. So we'll add a bit of pH reducer. according to the instructions on the packaging. According to the instructions, add shock chlorine. Also add regular chlorine. According to the instructions, add a flocculant for clear water. To combat algae, according to the instructions, add algicide. We finished the pool maintenance. If you found the video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thanks for watching. As usual, I wish you warmth in your home. See you next time.